हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो जैसा कि आपको पता है, लास्ट टाइम हमने अपने चैनल पे डेल सर्वर के बारे में वीडियो अपलोड किया था, डेल R710, विच वाज माय ऑनगोइंग सर्वर and it got suddenly stopped working and the PSU was dead on the Dell R710. So then I replaced that Dell R710 with the refurbished Dell R420 server and it has been working very well. Let me show you. ये है Dell R420 1U rack mounted server and this comes with the original Dell bezel. As you can see here, you can use I've removed the Dell bezel, and if you see this server, it got 8 hard drive bays, and out of that I'm using only 4 slot, and out of that 1 is SSD and 3 are SAS drive for the storage. Also, as you can see here, it got a naming scheme here, Dell PowerEdge R420, and this is the small screen where you can see the setup view and everything. You can check that. You can check your iDRA, DSCP, static IP, and everything with this single button. Also, this is a 1U rack mounted server, and this does not provide any kind of loud sound as compared to the previous Dell R710, which has a bigger fans. And ये डेल सर्वर के साथ मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ ये पावर सेव का यूपीएस, which is providing uninterrupted power supply whenever electricity goes out, or if there is any fluctuation. This comes in very handy. As you can see here, it is a 2400 volt. So this Dell server is running quite well, and it is giving me minimum power wattage of like around 120 watt. So now let me show you what else I am running in my Dell R420s. तो सामने आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं ये डेल IDRA 7 का कंट्रोलर है, विच इज़ इंटीग्रेटेड डेल रिमोट एक्सेस कंट्रोलर. सो लास्ट टाइम मैंने अपने शॉर्ट्स पे अपलोड किया था एक वीडियो, हाउ टू इंस्टॉल ए IDRA 7 कंट्रोलर. After that you have to purchase a license of enterprise, because all these refurbished Dell server comes with 1 month of I mean express license. So after that you have to upgrade to enterprise license. So from here, under the system summary, you can check all the details: if batteries, server health, virtual console preview, quick launch task, you want to power off, on and off, cold boot, and everything. You can check the power state, server model, what is the service tag, BIOS version, and IDRA MAC address, and everything, all the status you can check here. And from here you can check the logs, power, thermal, everything. You can check the IDRA network settings, hardware, you can check the CPU, memory. So all the details are mentioned in this IDRA 7. So basically this is a very useful thing if you are running a server. So make sure you use iDRA, because this comes very handy. You can access it remotely. Even if you are on enterprise license, you can access the virtual console preview to get the CLI access of your server, so you can check your BIOS and everything, lifecycle controller within this iDRA controller. So after that I will show you what I'm running. So I'm running mostly a Proxmox as my OS, and under the Proxmox there are lots of VM and containers running, as you can see here. And I've already changed the CPU, because by default it comes with the E5240V2 processor, which was just an 8 core, but I've changed to the higher version of E5 to E52490V2, which gives me around 20 cores. As you can see under the summary and everything, you can see the RAM 192 GB of RAM, and you can see the status of everything. So this Dell server is running very well, and it is not drawing more power now, because in the idle state it is giving me around 90 watt. But when it is in optimizing state, and it is in uh, like using all type of resources and everything. By average it gives around 150 watt, but I will still optimize it under the BIOS, so in during the idle state it won't consume much power. So that's what I was about to show you about the Dell R420. Let me know in the comment if you have any question, and follow my channel for more content. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.